Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is mathematical expectation. In this topic we are going to learn the two concepts, skewness of a random variable and kurtosis of a random variable. So let us start with the first concept, skewness of random variable. We shall see the definition of skewness. If a random variable x assumes values x1, x2, likewise up to xn with the probabilities say p1, p2, pn respectively, then the skewness of a random variable x is measured by the coefficient which is denoted by beta 1 is equal to mu3 square divided by mu2 cube and by gamma 1 is equal to under root of beta 1. These are the coefficients to measure the skewness of a random variable. We know that skewness means it is the property which is related to asymmetric of the distribution. If beta 1 is greater than 0, then the distribution is known as positively skewed, and if beta 1 less than 0, then the distribution is known as it is negatively skewed. Further, if beta 1 comes 0, then the corresponding distribution is a symmetric distribution. We shall start with the next concept, kurtosis of random variable. So let us see the definition of kurtosis of a random variable. Here also, if a random variable x assumes the values x1, x2, xn with probabilities p1, p2, pn. Here I am taking the values as x1, x2, xn with probabilities p1, p2, pn, since the under consideration random variable is a discrete random variable and which takes the distinct values x1, x2, up to xn. That's why we are taking these values. Then the kurtosis of random variable x is measured by the coefficient which is denoted by beta 2 and defined as beta 2 equal to mu 4 divided by mu 2 square. And gamma 2 equal to beta 2 minus 3. Here mu 2 and mu 4 are the second central moments of a random variable. Similarly, in beta 1, mu 2 and mu 3 are the third and second central moment of a random variable. In the previous lecture, we have already learned what is the central moments of a random variable. If student want to learn that lecture, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. In that lecture we have learned the definition and we solve the examples on central moments. I request students please refer to the examples and definition of central moments also. So let us start with the definition of kurtosis. The property kurtosis is used to measure the thickness of a distribution under consideration. If we draw a frequency distribution on a graph paper, then we will measure the thickness of a distribution through kurtosis. Here, if beta 2 is equal to 3, then the curve is a normal curve. If beta 2 less than 3, then the corresponding distribution is platykurtic, hence it looks like a plate. If beta 2 greater than 3, then the thickness of the curve is more than the normal curve, which is known as a leptokurtic distribution. We will see all these concepts in the solved examples which are coming in the next slide. So let us start with the solved examples of skewness and kurtosis. Let us take example number 1. Second, third and fourth central moments of a distribution are 3, 0 and 27 respectively. Find the coefficient of skewness and coefficient of kurtosis. So start with the solution. Let me write the given quantities. We will write the given quantities first in order to calculate the coefficient of skewness and kurtosis. Here we have given second, third and fourth central moment. So the second central moment is mu2 and which is given to be 3. Similarly, the third central moment is mu3 which is equal to 0, and the fourth central moment is 27. These three values we have given, and we have to calculate the first coefficient of skewness. Beta 1 is equal to mu3 square divided by mu2 cube. Substitute the values of mu3 and mu2. We know that mu3 is 0, so it is 0 square divided by, and mu2 is 3 cube. So it is equal to 0 upon 9, and that is equal to 0. Therefore, beta 1 is equal to 0. Here beta 1 comes 0. Therefore, the given distribution of a random variable x is symmetric. Now we shall calculate the coefficient of kurtosis, beta 2. By definition, beta 2 equal to mu 4 divided by mu 2 square. By substituting the values of mu 4 and mu 2, we get here mu 4 is 27 and mu 2 is 3. So it is 27 by 3 square, and which is 27 upon 9, and that comes out to be 3. Therefore, the value of beta 2 is equal to 3. We know that if beta 2 is 3, then the corresponding distribution is a mesokurtic or normal distribution. Therefore, the distribution of random variable x is mesokurtic or normal. Means if we plot a curve, then it looks like neither so peak nor so flat. So it is known as normal, or in the sense of kurtosis, it is known as mesokurtic. In this way, in this lecture, we learn the two most important properties of a random variable, which are skewness and kurtosis, and we also learn the examples of skewness and kurtosis along with the interpretation of the values of kurtosis and the values of skewness. If student want to learn the other points from the mathematical expectation topic, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. Many more concepts are discussed and many more examples are solved on the Learn Statistics channel. If student want to learn that topics, then please click on the I button, and link of all the playlists are given in the description box. If student like this lecture, click on the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to the Learn Statistics channel for the next upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.